Hello guys, welcome to our channel Speaking Books, and today we will discuss about Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the most futuristic man, a crazy person with a barrier-free vision and a person with a goal to upgrade the humanity, and that makes him a real-life Iron Man. This video is all about this big businessman and the major point of success that can be learned from him. So stick till the end and watch the complete video. But guys, do you know who is Elon Musk? He is African-born American entrepreneur who co-founded PayPal, which is the leading global payment platform. He co-founded SpaceX, the most successful private space agency. He is CEO of Tesla, the world leading electric car company, and also CEO of many other companies like SolarCity, The Boring Company, Hyperloop, Neuralink, and OpenAI. Musk became a multimillionaire in his late 20s when he sold his first startup company Zip2 to a division of Compaq Computers. Now let's go through his inspiring life journey. Musk was born on June 20, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. He was born to May Musk, a Canadian model, and Errol Musk, a wealthy South African engineer. As a child of age 10, at the time of his parents' divorce, Musk developed an interest in computers. He taught himself how to program, and when he was 12, he sold his first game for $500 named Blaster. Musk from the early age had parallel interests in both technology and business. During his grade school, he was short, introverted and bookish. When he was 15, he learned karate and wrestling for self-defense. At the age of 17, in 1989, Musk moved to Canada to attend Queen's University, and at there he got his Canadian citizenship at that year. In 1992, Musk left Canada to study business and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He graduated with an undergraduate degree in economics and stayed for the second bachelor degree in physics. From an early age, Elon used to read around 2 books per day to teach himself new technologies. He had recently stated that he had only $1,700 and a suitcase full of books while he first came to North America at the age of 17. After that, it was the time of internet boom and Musk wanna be a part of it. So he launched his first company with his brother named Zip2 Corporation in 1995. As an online city guide, Zip2 was soon providing content for the new websites like the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune. In 1999, a division of Compaq Computers bought Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock option. Further, in 1999, Elon with his brother used the money and found X.com, an online financial payment company. Further, in October 2002, X.com, today known as PayPal, was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock. Before the sale, Musk already owned 11% of the PayPal stock, and its sale made him earn his first million. After this, in late 2002, Musk finally got his citizenship of America. Elon Musk dreamed to colonize Mars, but he had no formal education on rocket science. He himself taught the rocket science. With the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel, Musk founded his third company, Space Exploration Technologies or SpaceX. This company used reusable rocket technique to minimize the cost. SpaceX is inspiring because of its failures as much as its successes. In 2006, the first SpaceX launch failed just by 33 seconds after liftoff. In 2007, the company's next chance to establish credibility also ends in failure. The engine shut down prematurely and the rocket fails to reach orbit. At this point, SpaceX was 0 for 2. Further, in 2008, they got third failure that almost killed the company. Elon Musk was left with no money to run SpaceX, but he was a man with strong ambition and a never give up mindset. According to Elon Musk, failure is an option. If things are not failing, you are not innovating. So further, to deal with failure caused by SpaceX, he sold his house, started to live at rent, borrowed his stock and invested all his money for his next trial. This time, Musk had to win. On May 22, 2012, Musk and SpaceX made history when the company launched its Falcon 9 rocket into space with an unnamed capsule. This vehicle was sent to International Space Station with 1,000 pounds of supplies for the astronaut station there, marking the first time a private company had sent a spacecraft for the International Space Station. Of the launch, Musk quoted this by saying, "I feel very lucky. For us, it's like winning the Super Bowl." After this, many more rockets like Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy, Big Falcon rocket were sent successfully into space, though they faced many failures. Their persistent effort made SpaceX the most powerful and successful private space agency. Musk is also co-founder, CEO and product architecture at Tesla Motor, a company formed in 2003 that is dedicated to producing affordable, mass-market electric cars as well as battery products and solar roofs. 5 years after its formation, in March 2008, Tesla unveiled the Roadster, first electric sports car capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, as well as traveling 250 miles between its charge. In 2012, the Model S finally entered the production at a starting price of $50,500, capable of covering 265 miles between each charge. It was honored as a 2013 Car of the Year by the Motor Trend magazine. Currently, Tesla is working on a new supercharged version of the Roadster, which they claim is the quickest car in the world and will be capable of going 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. Yeah, just a blink and a Tesla will be at 60 miles per second. This new Roadster is expected to release by next year 2021. Elon's another company, SolarCity, a $2.6 billion project, was also a dream project of Elon to provide free sustainable energy and to combine his electric car with solar and energy companies. Musk's overall vision was to produce green energy and to use green energy. SolarCity and Tesla combines this vision. Another great venture of Elon was the Boring Company, but it wasn't the really boring. In January 2017, Musk launched the Boring Company, a company devoted to boring and building tunnels in order to reduce street traffic. He began by digging on his SpaceX property in Los Angeles. It was an under construction project still. Currently, on 10 June, the Boring Company has decided to host a competition named Not a Boring Competition, challenging the general public to dig. Hyperloop, another vision for a ground transport system that would travel faster than a commercial airliner at a fraction of price. The transport system would carry passengers on a vehicle traveling at up to 760 miles per hour. Hyperloop vehicle accelerate gradually via electric propulsion through a low pressure tube. Another great ventures of Elon are an OpenAI, an AI research and development company based in San Francisco with a mission to ensure artificial intelligence benefits to all the humanity. To run these many powerful companies successfully, Elon is constantly asking for feedback and doing self-analysis. He is constantly thinking of what he has done and how it could be done better. Elon surrounds himself with great minds and similar vision to fulfill his dreams and to succeed in his mission. He fires a person from his team who thinks the task is impossible. Elon focuses on the solution more than a problem. According to Elon, I don't spend my time pontificating about high concept things. I spend my time solving engineering and manufacturing problems. So, this was a big picture of a big man with a great vision. Guys, we can learn a lot from this person. Few points I have summarized below. First, always keep learning. Second, dream big. Big dreams forces you to work more and that ensures your success. Third, take risks and focus on big picture. Fourth, ask for feedback and work on it. Fifth, make a strong team with a similar vision. And the last, work with a never give up mindset. Elon Musk tells that I don't ever give up. I had rather to be dead or completely incapacitated. According to me, Elon is a very rare business leader who thinks and cares of the mankind and explore new technologies to change the world. So thank you guys for viewing this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share and give your feedbacks in the comment section below.